guys, and back again with another video. This time it's another machine review, and we apologize if it took a little while, but I'm telling you, this is going to be worth your time. So today, we're going to be reviewing TORQ's new bandsaw, the TBS 400. We'll go on every detail about the bandsaw and see how it performs in a production shop that I currently have. So, simulan natin sa pinaka-table ng machine, o yung mismong working area niya. It's pure cast iron with the dimensions of 59.5 cm by 48.5 cm. It's pretty wide, and it has a towering fence of pure aluminum which measures roughly around 5 inches high. So how do you assemble it? So first off, it comes with this, I don't know what you call it, but para siyang sliding locking mechanism. It has an adjustment feature which we can easily call adjustment pins. So, siya yung responsible para pag in-slide mo na yung mismong fence, you could tilt the fence para maging perfectly 90 or adjacent dun sa may tabletop natin. When it's finally installed, sobrang smooth niyang mag-glide dun sa may tabletop natin. And it also comes with a Mitre Gauge, push stick, tsaka fence clamp. Yung fence clamp, ang purpose naman ito is para mas maging stable yung fence natin pagka na-clamp na natin sa likod. Now, going back to the inside of the bandsaw. So, it has a 16-inch wheel, top and bottom, of course. And at the opposite side of the door, you have your tracking knob. So, si tracking knob, ang trabaho naman niya is to make your blade sway from left to right, or if you want to adjust it, going out of the wheel and going inside of the wheel. As you can see, as I twist it, yung blade, medyo lumuluwa siya dun sa may pinaka-wheel. Lipat naman tayo sa may likod na part ng machine. So, you have two tension levers. This one is the quick tension lever, and the bottom part is the blade tension hand wheel. What it does is, yung tension lever sa may taas, it releases the wheel, and then yung blade tension hand wheel, siya naman yung responsible to micro-adjust the tension ng blade. Then, pwede mo nang i-lock yan using the quick tension lever. Let's now go to the cutting depth adjustment. So, it has three parts to adjust it. The elevating hand wheel, the guide post, and to lock your adjustment, it has also the guide post lock knob. So, itong part ng machine ito is responsible for adjusting the height of your cutting depth. Ngayon, sa lahat ng bandsaw owners, ang pinapangarap natin sa isang bandsaw is to have at least 9 to 10 inches in cutting depth. Now, this bandsaw gives you more than that. I measured it. It has a resaw capacity of 12.5 inches. But if you were to push it to its limits, I remeasured it and maxed it out. Kaya niya actually 13 1/4 inches. Finally, sa bottom side ng bandsaw, dito wala naman masyadong features and handles. It's just a 16-inch wheel na nakakabit sa may motor. But the highlight of it is the foot brake. Kasi nga sobrang lakas nung ikot ng motor niya when you turn it off, you need to stop it manually. So, let's try it out. This is a 10-inch wide board, and we are resawing it on the bandsaw. And as you can see, on the front side, it's even super straight. Pwede natin sabihin yun. But when I pan the camera at the other side, you will see how straight it cuts. At yung tinatawag nating fishtail or swaying, wala kaming na-experience dito nun. As in, if you push it sa tamang speed, and you will get the perfect cut every time. Look at that cut. It doesn't sway away from the line. It just continues to cut. Kahit yung speed niya hindi ganun kabagal eh. Still, it gives you that straight resaw cut every time, all the time. So after doing that, naisip ko lang, if this bandsaw can cut that straight, maybe it can do veneers as well. So that's what I did. I set the thickness of it at 2.5 millimeters and just went for it. And kita naman natin sa video, no? If you're just really pushing it at the right speed and focused on the output or yung output na gusto mo mangyari, you can achieve doing veneers on this bandsaw. By the way, the wood that we are resawing on this is kiln dried mahogany. And check out how thin the result was. Super straight. And yung saw marks niya, halos hindi na visible. Now, to be more accurate, I got my caliper and measured it. And from the front to the back to the middle, it's 2.16 or roughly 2.17 millimeters. So that is the review of this amazing bandsaw that I got from TORQ or Mac Tools Philippines. And on this shot, I'd just like to show you that we added caster wheels and a base plate for it. Kasi nung dumating to, I think 6 ata kami nagbuhat nito eh. So adding that makes this easier to maneuver inside the shop. So that's it. I hope you like the review and use of this amazing machine again. Maraming salamat to our friends from TORQ, Tools from Us, and Mac Tools. If you want to have this machine for your own, just simply look for them on Facebook. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.